Hi, my name is Tia Eva. I'm French, Cameroonian, and Togolese, and I graduated from UWC ISAK Japan in 2018. As a woman who had grown up in Japan, I had already seen by age 16 how much women's lives were impacted by their gender, whether that be in workplaces, in social settings, how they were discriminated against, and how they were often harassed. What I realized is that, especially in workplaces, this is something that often goes invisible. There's little data, little conversation, and almost no tailored resources for women. Yet, this is a stage where women hold leadership roles, make decisions, and shape organizations. And the result of that discrimination can be silent attrition, reduced confidence, and missed potential. Not because of lack of capability, but because the system is not designed to support them. And I realized that this was a workplace, leadership, and an equity issue. To address this, I launched Project Iridescent along with 8 other girls from different countries, now called Hogo Women's Network. We started by creating safe, structured spaces for conversations, workshops, and knowledge sharing around gender inequality in Japan. And at the same time, I had slowly started the idea of developing a more scalable solution through an intelligence-driven platform. And the idea at the time was simple: to move from fragmented, taboo conversations to data-informed, personalized support. And we combined 3 different layers. The first was education, moving the topic from something that's taboo to something understandable and accessible. Second, community, ensuring that young women were not navigating this alone. And third, data and insights, so actually using tracking to turn lived experiences into actionable guidance. And this approach is what allowed us to transition from just awareness to actual problem solving. So through this work and through my personal work since then, I've continued the project. I've written for countless publications such as the Malala Fund's magazine. I've published articles around women, gender inequality, and how it impacts local economies. And we have already reached thousands of young people and professionals through workshops and initiatives focused on gender equality. But more importantly, I think that we have started to shift how people think of different female issues, such as, for example, menopause, which is a topic that I have been working on for the past year. Women are reporting that they feel seen, they feel understood, and they feel more equipped to navigate the stage of their lives. And we've also created early momentum for a larger platform that can scale this impact globally, which I'm currently working on, called EMBR, as a part of the Women at Jaw and UNESCO competition. Project Iridescent is still growing from what it was 10 years ago now to what it is, but the direction is clear, and we're turning what is an overlooked issue into an opportunity for better design, better workplaces, and better outcomes for women. This is not just about awareness. It's about redesigning systems to support women at every stage of their lives. And I believe that instructs itself into the same mission that ISAK was, which was about creating sustainable, positive change for the world.